what you want, folks, right there. That's about probably 93–94% penetration. Well within the bounds of being an expert welder. Look at that. That is not welded on the back. You're looking at the back side. If the camera could focus. That's the back side. Now I did go through. Right there was a hole because I didn't get it from the other side. So I just nailed it right there. A little bit less penetration there, but that's because it's a smaller gap. It says Alpha, this is the driver's side middle rocker panel. This is from the lesser grade supplier that the owner initially bought parts from. Now you can see here, I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's tapered in. The stock inner or middle, excuse me, the middle, not the inner, but the middle rocker panel is tapered about 6 inches back, starting about 6 inches back from the lower A-pillar. It tapers in so the cap slash cone can come in and tightly bind everything together. However, this piece right here did not have any provisions for that taper. So I had to cut and slice and bend and taper this back in. And I'm going to clean up these welds. So you'll see it here in a sec. Well, this will be just completely hidden welds. No one will ever see this again. But just showing you what you got to do on these parts to get them to fit. This modification on this piece of middle rocker, I've got about 6 hours into this so far, just making that correct. Okay? And this is where it goes on. Goes on right here. That has all been, this substance is rubberized bed liner, but it dries to a very hard kind of a surface, and it ties in right here. That middle rocker ties in right there. I got to grind that down a little bit to get it to weld, and then the cap goes on right there like that, and then the outer rocker goes on it. Okay? Better than factory, the best I can do on this 74 Alfa Romeo GTV. Okay, as we say in Germany, tschüss!